Hi folks, I'm Ian Baker, and today I want to talk about the Jayco Pinnacle line of luxury fifth wheels. The Pinnacle line of fifth wheels combines a premium package and full-time warranty coverage into one of the best options out there for couples and families alike. The line ranges in length from about 36.5 feet to a little over 42 feet, and in weight from about 12,600 pounds to right around 14,300 pounds. There are 6 different floor plans in the Pinnacle line. All of them feature slide-outs, and all but 2 have the bedroom at the front of the RV. Let's start with the 2 models that don't. The 36 FBTS features a full bath and walk-in closet at the front of the unit. Between that and the main living area is the master bedroom. Beyond that is another half bath and the main living area with theater seats directly across from the TV and a kitchen island. The 38 FLWS is a front living model with dual opposing sofas in the main living area and theater seats directly across from the TV. Then there's the kitchen with 2 more slide-outs allowing for a kitchen island, and the master bedroom is at the rear of the unit. All of the other floor plans feature the master bedroom at the front of the RV. Let's go through these from shortest to longest. The 32 RLTS kicks things off with 3 slide-outs. There's a sofa and table to one side of the RV and the entertainment center and kitchen on the other. Across the back wall is a large sofa. The 36 KPTS is next and features 3 slide-outs as well. This model has a very similar layout to the 32 RLTS, but is longer in overall length, giving you some extra room to move around, and has a larger pantry as well as a kitchen island. Then there's the 36 SSW. This unit offers a rear living area with a layout very similar to the ones already discussed, with the path to the bedroom on the opposite side of the RV. There's also an additional wardrobe area for the washer and dryer, as well as a large shower in the bathroom, plus a seating area in the master bedroom. The 37 MDQS offers a unique mid-den with an overhead loft in the center of the floor plan. To the rear of the unit is the main living area and kitchen with a similar layout to the other floor plans. At the front of the unit is a large master bedroom with a walk-in closet. Now that we've touched on the floor plans, let's talk features and equipment. The Pinnacle comes with custom residential style maple cabinet doors, hardwood cherry cabinet styles, hardwood fascias, full extension drawers, a large split under-mounted stainless steel sink, 21 cubic foot residential refrigerator, Furion gas cooktop with oven, wood plank vinyl flooring, Shaw carpeting, decorative molding with LED lights, walk-in style closets, and most models have beautiful real wood dressers and nightstands. There's also a 15,000 BTU AC, 82-inch interior height, 6-point electric auto level, more ride entrance steps, LED exterior lighting, big screen LED HD TVs, and a long list of available equipment you can choose to add to your rig if you'd like. The Pinnacle is built on a wide-body 102-inch frame that uses 12-inch I-class structural steel I-beams. It features tough shell vacuum-bonded laminated walls, heated and insulated underbelly, aerodynamic front cap, seamless composite roof, and frameless dark tinted windows. As you can see, the Pinnacle from Jayco is one of the best luxury fifth wheels on the market today. It's perfect for the couple wanting to get away or for vacations with the family.